What's up guys, it's Carabella. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how I plan out my workout schedule and how you guys can plan out your workout schedule. So if you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload, and let's get started. So there are a bunch of questions I get from you guys. I wrote them down on a piece of paper. Don't come for me if I look down a little bit. How do I plan my workouts? We're gonna talk about that. How many workouts should I be doing, okay? Do I work out from home or from the gym? Well, right now you work out from home because we're in quarantine and there is no gym. So check on that one. How many rest days should I take? And should I work out on my period week? Okay, that's a perfect question. A lot of these are good. So I just wanna tell you guys, it depends on a few things. It depends on your diet. What are your body goals? What are you eating during the day? It depends on your goals. That's another one. It depends on your activity levels, depends on your health conditions. Like, do you have previous existing health conditions? Is it hard for you to work out? It depends on your work-life balance. Do you work for 16 hours a day and you can't really work out because you have no time for yourself? And it also depends on your mindset. Where is your mind at? Are you happy with your body image? Are you suffering from body image issues? Are you trying to just stay fit? Are you trying to lose weight? Are you trying to gain weight? What's your mindset like? What are your goals? So keeping those things in mind, I'm gonna talk a little bit about what I do and how I plan out my workouts. And then we're gonna try to plug these things in and figure out where you can develop your workout routine. Because it's really important to plan out your exercises and plan out your workouts for the whole week at one time, especially if you're a beginner. Because if you're a beginner, it's really important to stick with something. So I know it can be difficult, right? When you first start working out, like your body gets sore, you wanna like take a break, you don't wanna get back into it. And if you're not organized on top of that, if you don't have a plan, it's just gonna be even easier to give up. I'm gonna give you guys a few tips. For me, how I plan out my workouts is I usually start my week off with legs. I love leg day. Legs are like my most favorite. Oftentimes, I love the gym, you guys. Like, if the gyms were open, I wouldn't be doing as many home workouts just because I really love the amount of equipment and the amount of variations of workouts I can do in the gym. At home, it can be a little bit tough. You have to get creative. You might have to buy some equipment. You might not have to buy equipment, but I just don't see my body change as fast as it can in the gym. Like, that's just me. But right now I'm doing a lot of home-based workouts, and that's just what it is. So first of all, I start off with a really, really heavy leg day. I love leg day. I'll start off with the stair climber. I'll do 30 minutes on the stair climber I'll start off slow. I'll start at like a 4 and I'll skip every other step, and I'll kick my leg back to really focus on those glutes. And then I'll go up to like a 6 and I'll do like almost like a duck waddle where you put your feet on the outsides of the stair climber. It really targets the outer butt. And then I'll do like a 10 and I'll just go like just regular, just walking upstairs. But I'll really flex the glutes every time I take a step because I really want to target my butt. Stair climber is a great way to get in cardio without like exhausting all your resources and thinning down. I know it can be really hard for us to get cardio in without losing a lot of mass because you don't want to run a lot if you want to bulk up. I love the stair climber because you can continue to bulk, but also work your heart really, really good, work your lungs, work your cardio. So that's what I'll start off with on leg day, and then I'll get into some really good resistance stuff. I love putting the bands around I love putting that thing on your ankle. What is it called? I don't even know what it's called. This is so bad. It's like a workout cuff. It's an ankle cuff with a link on it, and you put it into one of those machines and you pull, like it's a pulley workout. I love those pulley workouts for my legs. I get so creative with those, I swear to God. So those are really good. I do a lot of those with heavy reps. I also love to do just isolation stuff like lunges, step ups. I do a lot of thrusts, like booty thrusts or whatever, where you get on your back and you're elevated and you bring the weight up and you flex the glutes. I don't like to work out squats too much. I know this is kind of bad, but I feel like squats for me personally with the rack and all that stuff, it builds my thighs too quickly. And I wanna have like smaller thighs and a nicer like lifted booty. I want the butt to grow, but I don't want the thighs to grow, and it can kind of be tough to get that isolation happening. So I don't hit squats too often with the weights, like the big rack ones that most girls do. It's just not my thing. I don't really want my legs to get big. So after I do like really, really heavy stuff for legs, I'll do curtsies, I'll do a bunch of stuff, and I'll love to show you guys when the gym's open. Like, I've got a whole bunch of workouts we can do together. And then I'll do some abs. I always end with abs. I love to do like 10 to 15 minutes on the abs every day, just like a quick burnout, and then stretching, of course, every day, stretch afterwards. And that'll be like my first day. That'll be like Monday. Let's just say it's Monday. That'll be the first day. And then the second day, I'll do arms. And I don't go hard on the arms, so I can do arms. Because I go super hard on the legs, I don't really go that hard on my arms. Plus, I don't want to beef up this upper body. I just want to keep it toned. So like, I'll do light weights and I'll do a lot of reps. If I do weights at all, usually I'll do like resistance and things like that. But I like to do dumbbells, I like to do flies, I like to do, you know, tricep curls and all those things. And I'll do an arm day, but I won't do it super intense. So that'll be Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, I might take a rest day. And then on Thursday, I'll do cardio again, stair climber, and then I'll do back. I'll train back. Then I'll do a lot of weight. Like back, I want my back to be pretty shredded. So I'll do like a lot of weights on my back. And then I'll do abs, of course, abs after every workout. Don't get it twisted. Every day you have to do abs if you really want to keep that section like toned in. And then on Friday, I'll do a little bit more of legs. I just love doing legs. Even if my legs are sore, I really try to push myself on that. But I'll do like no weights. I'll do like hydrants, like fire hydrants. I'll do donkey kicks. I'll do specific just little isolations just to like get like a pump in my butt basically. And then on Saturday, I might rest again. And then on Sunday, I'll do a lot of plank and core training. Like I love core training. So that's like what my workout plan looks like. And I don't take too many rest days. If I do take rest days, it's like 1 or 2 days, if that. Oftentimes I won't because I'm just like, you know, it's crazy. My body's weird. Like if I don't work out, I feel like sickly. I just feel like, oh my God, like restless, like I have too much energy for some reason. So for me, I don't take too many rest days, but I do like to switch up my workouts because then it gets boring if I'm just doing the same workout every day. Also, muscle memory, your muscles will remember and you won't get as good as a workout, you won't get as good of a burn. So you really want to switch up your routines as well. For my body goals right now, I'm cutting down. I'm not doing crazy amounts of weight. I'm doing mostly body weight, and plus we're all stuck at home, so I can't really work out like I really normally would. But I am cutting, so that's one of the things as well. How many rest days should you take? I think you should take at least 3 rest days, especially if you're a beginner. 3 rest days is good. I would do workout, no workout, workout, no workout, workout, no workout. And then if you want to work out on Saturdays and Sundays, you can. But you know, if you're like a beginner and like this is so new to you, I wouldn't like kill yourself. Just do, you know, work out 3 days a week, off 3 days a week. That's like really good start. Some people start with 1 day a week. Just, you know, go at your own pace, of course, but I recommend 3 days off. And then should you work out on your period week? I believe yes. Yes, you cannot go 1 whole week I can't go 1 whole week without working out because, like I said, my body just feels like sore. Like if I don't work out for a few days, my back starts hurting. I'm just like, it's like I'm falling apart pretty much, which is weird. But yeah, definitely work out on your period. I don't recommend doing it on the 1st or maybe 2nd day because those are like the worst days. Girls, you know what I'm talking about. That's when your back hurts, your stomach hurts, your legs hurt, you got a headache, like, I would not do it on the 1st or 2nd day, but I definitely would do it the 3rd to the 7th, depending on how long your cycle is. I know my cycle is like very long, so I can't, you know, not go out. I can't not work out for that whole time. So I definitely think that it would be a good idea to work out on your period, but just after the first and second days. How many workouts should I do? I always cut it to like 6 or 7 workouts per session. So I'll go in there with a plan. Okay, if I'm gonna hit legs today, I wanna hit those 7 routines, and I'm just gonna like push through them, and I'm gonna burn my ass so hard that like I really put my body under pressure so that it grows. And I think if you're a beginner, 3 or 4 is really good. Pick out 3 or 4 exercises that you really want to get to, and just, burn through them. Just get 4 sets of like 15 reps, and just boom, 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 boom. And you want to switch it up for whatever exercise you're doing. So like if something is a little bit harder than something else, substitute it, right? If something's not that hard, do like 4 sets of 20. But if you're over here like lifting a heavier amount of weights, or if this one is just a little bit harder to do because it's a different variation, do like 3 sets of 10. Switch it up to your body needs. Like don't ever try to compare yourself or like put yourself in a box to what someone else is doing. Like if I'm doing 4 sets of 20 on one of my home workouts and you can't do that, just do like 2 sets of 10, 3 sets of 10, 2 sets of 5, like something that can actually meet your needs, because like everybody's body composition is different. People don't handle workouts the same way, and something that doesn't even make me tired or make me sore might kill you. So like it's totally important to be in touch with yourself as like what level you are as a fitness, like on the fitness scale, basically. Like, are you beginner, extra beginner, intermediate, advanced, or like a bodybuilder? Because there's levels to this shit, and you really don't want to hurt yourself, and you really don't want to like compare yourself to anybody. We're all different, and that's beautiful. So like just do your thing and do what fits for you, basically, is what I think you should do. And I think I covered all the questions on this list. If you guys have any other questions, leave me a comment down below. But yeah, at the end of the day, you guys, it all depends on what your goals are. What your goals are, your activity levels, your health conditions, your work-life balance, your diet, and your mindset. Write those things down, and then make up a workout routine for yourself. What do you want to focus on? What's your mindset like? I want to get a bigger butt, or I want to get a toned back, or I want to shred like, my midsection. I want to get rid of some belly fat, or I want to tone up my thighs, or like, what are your goals for your body? What's your mindset like? And then go from there. Like, okay, cool. What's my diet like? Well, I eat like shit. I eat like cookies for breakfast, and I drink a lot of Red Bulls. And this is facts. And what kind of workouts can I do with that diet? And then kind of go from there, and then plug in the next one. Work-life balance. Do I work a lot? Do I not work a lot? Can I get away with like a longer workout routine, or do I need to like really push my workouts into like a 15-minute session per day? And then plug in the other one. Health conditions, like, okay, I have asthma. Like I can't really do a lot of cardio, or I can't run for that long, or I can't do certain things because that affects my body this way. So plug in these things, you guys, and really figure out like what's good for you. And then I recommend getting like a little planner, a little organizer, and just writing it down every day. Like work out for 1 hour, and then write down what workouts you want to do. These workouts, or check out this video on YouTube and follow along with this person, and like just really be organized, and that's really going to help you stick with it. I really believe so. And when I started working out, that really helped me, because when I was new to this, I did not want to go to the gym. And yeah, it was just a little bit hard for me until I saw results. But once I saw a little bit of results, I was like, oh my God, I am so excited to go to the gym the next day, because like my butt was growing, or like my abs were getting more defined, and I just felt like, oh my God, I'm getting like, my goals are coming true, and blah, blah, blah. And then you get excited, and then it's like motivation to go. So before you have that motivation though, really figure out what's good for you and just stick with it. I hope this helped you guys plan out your workouts. I hope you guys kind of see like how I plan out my workouts. And if you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're new, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.